Question number 9, first part. If A ratio B is 2 ratio 3, B ratio C is 4 ratio 5, and C ratio D is 6 ratio 7, find A ratio D. A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3, and B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 5. C ratio D is equal to 6 ratio 7. A upon D is equal to A upon B into B upon C into C upon D. A upon D, that is equal to A ratio B, that is A upon B, 2 upon 3 into B upon C, 4 upon 5 into C upon D, that is 6 upon 7. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So A upon D is equal to 2 twos are 4, 4 fours are 16 upon 7 fives are 35, which implies A ratio D is equal to 16 ratio 35. Answer. And solution, second part, X ratio Y is equal to 2 ratio 3 and Y ratio Z is equal to 4 ratio 7. X ratio Y is equal to 2 upon 3 ratio 1 and Y ratio Z is equal to 1 ratio 7 upon 4. So X ratio Y ratio Z is equal to 2 upon 3 ratio 1 ratio 7 upon 4. LCM is equal to 12. X ratio Y ratio Z is equal to 12 divided by 3. 3 fours are 2 into 12 upon 3 ratio 12 ratio 7 upon 4. LCM is 12. That is 3 fours are 12 and 4 threes are 12. X ratio Y ratio Z is equal to 4 twos are 8 ratio 12 ratio 21. Answer. Given A ratio B is 2 ratio 3, B ratio C is 4 ratio 5, C ratio D is 6 ratio 7. And we find A ratio D, that is A upon D is equal to A upon B into B upon C into C upon D. A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3 and B upon C is equal to 4 upon 5. C upon D is equal to 6 upon 7. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. 2 twos are 4, 4 fours are 16. 5 sevens are 35. So we get A ratio D is equal to 16 ratio 35. Answer. And second part, X ratio Y is equal to 2 ratio 3, Y ratio Z is equal to 4 ratio 7, X ratio Y is equal to 2 upon 3 ratio 1 and Y ratio Z is equal to dividing by 4, 1:7/4. B, Y is ratio of Y is 1 and X ratio Y ratio Z equal to 2/3 ratio 1:7/4. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, that is equal to 4 3s are 12, and 4 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 8. And LCM 12, 12 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 12, and 7 multiplied by LCM is 12 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, and 7 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 21. So we get X ratio Y ratio Z equal to 8:12:21. Answer. Question number 10, first part. Solution. A ratio B is equal to 1/4 ratio 1/5, and B ratio C is equal to 1/7 ratio 1/6. LCM. So A ratio B is equal to 20, and 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5, ratio 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. A ratio B is equal to 5:4. Similarly, B ratio C is equal to LCM is 42, and 42 divided by 7, that is 6, and 42 divided by 6, that is equal to 7. A ratio B is 5:4, and B ratio C is equal to 6:7. So A ratio B is equal to 5/4 ratio 1, and B ratio C is equal to 1:7/6. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to 5/4 ratio 1 ratio 7/6. LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. 4, 6, that is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, that is 3 4s are 12. And 12 multiplied by A ratio B ratio C equal to 5/4 into 12 ratio 12 ratio 7/6 multiplied by 12. That is 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to 5 3s are 15 ratio 12 ratio 7 2s are 14. Answer. Solution. Second part. If 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 6C, find the A ratio B ratio C. Let 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 6C, that is equal to K. Let A is equal to K/3, B is equal to K/4, and C is equal to K/6. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to K/3 ratio K/4 ratio K/6. LCM of 3, 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3 1 3 1 1 1, that is equal to LCM is equal to 12. 2 2 jar 4, 3 jar 12. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to K is constant, and 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. 12 divided by 4, that is 3 ratio. 12 divided by 6, 2. So we get A ratio B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. Answer. Given A ratio B is 1 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 5, B ratio C is 1 upon 7 ratio 1 upon 6. A ratio B is equal to LCM is 20, 20 divided by 4, that is 5, 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So we get A ratio V, and similarly B ratio C is 6 ratio 7. A ratio B 5 upon 4 ratio 1, and B ratio C divided by 7, that is 1 ratio 7 upon 6. Ratio of V is 1, and A ratio B ratio C is equal to 5 upon 4 ratio 1 ratio 7 upon 6. LCM of 4 and 6, that is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 5 divided by 4, that is equal to 3, and 5 3s are 15. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12, and 12 multiplied by 7 divided by 6, 6 2s are 12, and 7 2s are 14. So A ratio B ratio C is equal to 15 ratio 12 ratio 14, answer. And second part, 3A, given 3A is equal to 4B is equal to 6C, that is equal to K, assumption. And A is equal to K upon 3, B is equal to K upon 4, C is equal to K upon 6. A ratio B ratio C is equal to K upon 3 ratio K upon 4 ratio K upon 6. LCM of 3, 4 and 6, we get 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is equal to 12, and 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2. So we get A ratio B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 3 ratio 2, answer. Thank you.